Here you see I created one table and applied VLOOKUP function in the column E with lookup ID in the column D, and I got the results in the first two and the last rows, where I got the error message in the third row. As the lookup ID given in the third row, which is 105 not found in the product ID column. So we have to clear this issue and remove this error message and replace with any other types of warning messages from our document so that it will look good. Here we are going to use the IFERROR formula to solve this issue. IFERROR is used to get the certain value if any errors found in the given formula. To enable this function, we insert the formula IFERROR before the given formula, and then bracket opening, then leave the old formula as it was before, and then at the end of the formula we adding the comma, then adding the value, which is supposed to be shown if any errors found such as not found or product not found. Apply the same formula to the other rows, also using Ctrl+D. Here you see the error message is replaced with new message product not found. So to remove the error message -NA, we have to use the IFERROR function.